What is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Schok Freedom Turbo XL 2022 edition. That's right, Schok, you see it, you see the box. It's a big one, so it's definitely going to be a nice unboxing experience, and this phone's going to be for a super low price, inexpensive, and I'll try to have that link in the description down below, if not the comment, the pinned comment or whatever. And let's go ahead and get into this box. Alrighty, guys, and as you can see, this is the Turbo Freedom XL. Guys, go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech family. Comment down below what you think about this video or any other video. That's right. Let's go ahead and take a look at this Turbo XL Schok. Shout out to Schok for sending me this product, by the way. So that's what you get outside of the box here, and this is what you're gonna get inside the box. Ooh, look at that. The phone itself. Oh man, I love this packaging. Look at this. Love this packaging. Just like with the other Schok phones that they had, this is gonna be, I can already tell this thing's gonna be a beast. Look at that. You got your SIM extractor tool there. You got the braided headphones. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that quality. Nice braided headphones right there. So I am outside, and I'm outside my favorite restaurant, Wendy's. That's right, I'm doing the Uber Eats thing, and I stopped to do this for y'all. So this is the instructions right there. Your warranty policy. Okay. What else we got here? Is it free yourself, or free your senses, I should say. And what is this? Oh yeah. Nice Type-C braided cable. Gotta love it. Nice fast charging. Brick charger right there. That's right, Samsung, iPhone, eat your heart out. You don't get this stuff with those companies. You barely get a phone nowadays for $1,000. I said it. Alright, now let's take a look. And we're still don't worry, guys, the phone's right here. Don't worry. I know you want to see the phone, but let's take a look at this other stuff that's included. More goodies from Schok. Oh yeah, a nice case. What? Okay, now we talking. You got headphones, you got a case. Look at that. It was a nice case too. This ain't no flimsy run-of-the-mill, just, you know what I'm saying, case. This is a nice one. Got that black lining right there. I love it. What else we got here? Oh yeah, nice glass protective screen right there. I forget exactly what you call them. Tempered glass. There you go, tempered glass right there. Definitely a nice plus. So if you crack that, you just crack that and that's it. And then you get a leather pouch right here to complement the phone. There you go. Schok branding. That's right. Alright, so let's actually see the star of the show here, which is the phone. Ooh. I can already tell she's gonna be sexy. Oh my god. Look at that blue. Look at that. Designed in the USA. There you go. Look at that. It's got all the call outs right there in the front. You don't even got to look it up. Schok Freedom Turbo XL 2022 edition. 6.533 full HD display. Triple rear AI cameras, 48 main, 16 wide, 2 macro. Amazing selfie front camera, 24 megapixels at a f2.0 aperture. You got an octa-core 2.0 gigahertz processor, Qualcomm SD665 SoC processor, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of ROM, wireless charging, that's right, stereo speakers, which I might add is loud as God knows what, expandable up to 2 terabytes via SD card, big 4000 milliamp battery, built in with IR blaster, USB Type-C to HDMI out, full glass back and front. And let me tell you guys, this thing is sexy. This camera does not do it justice. This thing is, woo, woo. Let's go ahead and turn her on. Got that Schok, powered by Android. So this is just the unboxing, guys. Not going to really go too deep into the phone itself. We're going to do that later on. But I did want to get the unboxing out of the way. And as you guys can see, look at all this. And yes, guys, I am using a chest mount to go ahead and do this. All of you content creators out there, chest mount, man, I love it. Alright, so let's go ahead and put my pin in real quick. Bam. And there's the home screen right there. Go ahead and brighten it up for you. So what do we get? What do we get? We get Aquamail, calculator, calendar, camera, Chrome, clock, contacts, drive, Duo, BIOS, FM radio, Gmail, Google Play or Google Pay, keep notes, lens, maps, messages, mood control. That's for the actual LED. This is an actual LED light that actually changes different colors, guys. This is amazing. Got my Schok, Office Suite, phone, photos, play movie, Play Store, settings, sound ID, Google Translate, YouTube, and YouTube Music. So yeah, guys, you can actually go right here and you can actually pick what color you'd like. You can pick what kind of effect you'd like on the back of your phone. It looks so dope, guys. I tried it out earlier. It looks so dope. So I'm going to show you guys that in a later video. Like I said, this is just the unboxing. This is just a teaser, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you did. Smash that like button, guys. And more content to come with the Schok Freedom Turbo XL 2022 edition. And I will have a link in the description down below. Hopefully very soon I'm gonna get with Schok so I can get you guys that link. This is a limited run phone. There was only 2,000 produced. So if you want to get it, guys, you got to get it fast. I'm going to get you that link as soon as it comes out. It might not be today. It might be a couple days from now. We don't know. Or I don't know, I should say. So let me know, guys, what you think about the phone. What you think about the aesthetics. Do you like it? Look at this dual tone flash right there. Like I said. Alright. And I am going to be putting my Boost Mobile SIM card in here, so it's going to be my daily driver. So I'm going to put my Boost Mobile AT&T SIM card service in there, and I'm going to be having my Cricket service with this phone that I'm recording on right now. So I am going to be giving this thing a full test out, and we're going to see what happens. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. This has been John from Magic Tech Review. I got to get back to Uber driving. Peace out, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.